Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating every contaminant because titanium bonds with oxygen above its beta transfuse. Any film ruins the joint. Once cleaned with acetone and lint-free wipes, purge the weld volume with high-purity argon until oxygen reads below 20 ppm. Make sure to configure your TIG machine to straight polarity descend and install a properly sized tungsten. This concentrates the arc and reduces contamination. Begin with tack welds while maintaining purge. That first controlled arc sets the atmosphere you need for the entire weld. You should progress with steady, short passes to avoid excessive heat and alpha case formation. Titanium is sensitive to time at temperature. Once your tack sequence is stable, form a weld puddle and add matching filler at the trailing edge of the arc, feeding slowly so the puddle stays fluid but controlled. Make sure your argon flow remains constant. Use a trailing shield or gas cup to lengthen the inert envelope. If done right, each pass will fuse without discoloration beyond pale straw, indicating protected metal. You finish by keeping the part shielded until it cools to roughly 150 to 200 degrees Celsius. Rapid exposure to air creates an oxide alpha case you cannot reverse. Once cooled, inspect color. Straw to silver means adequate protection, while blue or gray indicates contamination and requires rework. If you see contamination, remove the affected metal back to bright titanium, re-establish a superior purge, and re-weld. A key troubleshooting tip: if oxygen spikes, stop immediately, re-purge, and verify flow, fittings, and leak sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.